Welcome everybody. My name is Murtaza, and in this video series, we are going to develop, build, and deploy a real-world app from scratch in the latest Laravel version, which at the time of recording this video is version 8. We are going to develop a social app locally and then deploying that application on a fully managed AWS cloud server using Laravel Forge. We are also going to deploy the application to a shared web hosting server like SiteGround. In this video series, we are going to cover some of the basic functionalities like user registration, login, forgot password, profile management, creating post and sharing images, allowing comments and likes, and of course, the friend requests. We are also going to cover some advanced topics, which includes using Node and NPM to compile the CSS in JavaScript for the development and production instances, implementing a drag and drop library to support the drag and drop for the images, setting up Laravel queues to transfer images to the AWS S3 bucket, and then configuring the AWS Lambda, which is a serverless function to process the images stored on S3 and create multiple copies of the images so we can display different image on a different resolution. I hope this video series will be helpful for all the beginner and intermediate developers, and even the advanced developer will find something useful here. So let's get started. See you in the next video.